2021 or 22, whatever Bronco. You ready? Who's gonna honk? Hey! I said who's gonna honk? No, go ahead. I'm ready. Pretty good. All right, next up is 2004, I think, 5.3 Avalanche, cold air intake, long tube headers, like full exhaust, and I just got done tuning it. So the only difference between me and the Avalanche is I have the cam. He does not have a cam, but he does have headers. So basically, I'm going to show him like how much the truck Norris cam could wake up a truck. Huh?
Say good morning.
Good morning. You want to honk? On the third honk? Okay. Yeah. What do you think? A cam makes a big difference, huh?
Yes, sir.
It wakes it up big time. He wants another piece of the Silverado. My buddy Trailblazer Films, check out his channel. That's who I'm challenging right now. He says the first race was just way too close. I might have took it off on like the 2.5 honk. I might have jumped it just a little bit sooner, but he wants another chance. Maybe we'll try to brake boost it this time. Hey, how about I'll go and you go?
Sure?
I think I can react pretty fast.
No way.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm ready. Oh, not fast enough. I did not react fast enough. Maybe not.
Too hot.
So 1 to 2 is shifting pretty lazy. So right now I'm doing the old Corvette Servo. This really firms up the second gear shift and the fourth gear shift, even under part throttle. What this does is it has more surface area for hydraulic pressure to clamp that second gear band. Because first and second gear, it doesn't shift with the clutch pack. It's actually a band that goes around the drum in the transmission and it squeezes. So this is basically more hydraulic pressure. It's more surface area for the pressure to push this needle out, squeeze that band, and really get that second gear shift quick and firm. So yeah, this is like a $30-$40 mod, and it makes a big difference. I've done this like 5 times. Anyways, let me get this in and see if we can't get this tired 406 to shift a little bit better. All right, guys, so I do have the Corvette Servo installed. It helped a lot. I'm going to drive around and show you like an after video. But real quick, I was working on installing this ProCharger, and I found this company online. Well, basically, I got the blower without the like the bracket assemblies or the install kit. And I found this company that claimed to have an install kit. I thought it was kind of cool because it put it on the passenger side, because typically it's over here on the driver's side. And I was like so excited for it. I routed all the piping. Like I even have the coupler there, just waiting to go to the blower. I got the intercooler. I had the bypass valve going into the 4-inch intake. I kind of reuse the 4-inch intake, you know, it goes out to the corner. I just turn it this way. Basically, I was just waiting for the freaking install kit, the bracket system, and it is like, it's nowhere near. It doesn't fit at all. It honestly, it sucks. I was super disappointed. Like, when I mount it up, it wants to mount it. I have to remove the tensioner and put this plate here. Not only does it hit the valve cover right here, I removed the filler neck because I thought it would help, but it hits the valve cover, and then the what else? When it is bolted up, the pulley is like 3 inches too shallow. But I actually found an install kit through, I think it's called bruteforce.com, and it's like they're a dealer for ProCharger, and they actually sell like the ProCharger, like a factory ProCharger style install kit. So it's not going to be like this aftermarket junk pieced together. It's actually like the bracket system that the ProCharger would have came with in the kit. So it is going to go over here typically. So I'm going to have to kind of reverse my charge piping. This is going to go this way, and the supercharger is going to sit over here where it usually does. So that being said, it is sucking in air through the intercooler. It's all plumbed up, so the air, it's kind of probably being restricted. Like for an NA setup, this is probably hurting a little bit. It's sucking in air all the way through the intercooler, through the piping. And yeah, that's that. Anyways, I'm going to do a quick pull, show you the difference that Corvette Servo made. And hopefully I can get this freaking right install kit, because I'm super excited for this ProCharger. Alright guys, this is about to be our first little test hit with the servo. I did increase pressures a little bit too, so hopefully it goes from a lazy 1-2 shift. It kind of takes its time to a more quick, positive shift. Let's see, I'm just going to do like a rolling start here. I'll probably go for like 20, 25. Let's see how that 1-2 shift is. Should be a lot better. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Much better. And chirp second gear, it went a little bit of a chirp, but that's a lot quicker, firmer shift out of the first and second gear with that Corvette Servo. It's much better. I know I do need an alignment. After I did the cam swap, I had to I lowered the steering rack to be able to drop the oil pan, because I did do a high pressure oil pump. As you can see, my pressure is kind of like super high. It's a Melling 355 pump. They advertise like 33% more volume, 33% more pressure, or something like that. Anyways, I always use those oil pumps, and I thought while I was camming it, I thought I might as well do the oil pump, because this truck does have 235,000 miles. So it was a little tired. When it was hot, the oil pressure was like maybe 20, 25 pounds. So now when it's hot, this truck never drops below 40 PSI. Let me go ahead and turn around. I'm gonna do one more hit. But that 1-2 shift was a huge improvement. Let me do one more. All right, let's do one more. One more 1-2. Much quicker. I'll try to do like a before and after, but that 1-2 shift is so much nicer than before. Every once in a while, it'll give me a chirp shift in the second gear. So it'll chirp on the downshift when I floor it, and then it chirps when it shifts. So this truck's getting more responsive, I guess you could say.